Well, in case you haven't noticed, the Wabash Valley is certainly experiencing a bit of dry spell right now.
Chief Meteorologist Kevin Orpert and Storm Team 10's Pamela Gardner are in the Weather Center to explain what's happening.
All right, thanks a lot, Mark. And Pamela, it has been dry. So far in this September, we've only gotten 0.06 of an inch of rain.
Right.
I suspect that has something to do with a much bigger thing.
Yes, actually, we're talking about El Nino already.
Okay.
And earlier this summer, we discussed El Nino patterns and what it do for this winter, and it looks like it's here for now.
All right.
So right now there's an area of high pressure keeping us nice and dry to the north, and it's spinning in a clockwise position. That means we're having a constant airflow from the northeast. Because we have that airflow from the northeast, it's keeping the rain way to our south. So dry to the north, rain to the south. That ties in with El Nino. More about that in just a minute. There's that airflow from the northeast, and in fact, we haven't had rain since Labor Day weekend. That was the last time we had measurable rainfall. March of 2009, that was the longest stretch without rain since March of this year, and now we're experiencing that stretch. We're also predicting rain to return for Sunday. Now, earlier this summer, we talked about El Nino returning for this year. El Nino is when the Pacific Ocean sea surface temperature is warmer than normal. Here's an example of the Pacific Ocean temperature normally, and here is the ocean during an El Nino year. The ocean temperature rises 1 to 3 degrees. When it does do that, it affects the weather pattern for us and affects even the storms moving through the Wabash Valley. So, North American weather pattern is being affected right now. The current national, regional, satellite, and radar map shows continuous rain down to our south and continuous dry weather in the north, which exactly shows us how El Nino is affecting our area. Now, Kevin, could this be a prediction of further things to come?